Hey everyone, welcome back to Auto Garage. Today, we're diving into the brand new 2025 Isuzu D-Max, a pickup that's making waves in the market. Whether you're an off-road adventurer or someone looking for a reliable workhorse, this might just be the perfect fit. Let's break it down. First things first, the 2025 D-Max comes with a design overhaul that screams power and sophistication. The updated front fascia features a bold grille paired with sharp LED headlights, giving it an unmistakable presence. With new color options and refined aerodynamics, this pickup is ready to turn heads on and off the road. Step inside, and you'll see that Isuzu has upped its game in the cabin. The D-Max now offers a 10.1-inch touchscreen infotainment system with Apple CarPlay and Android Auto. Add in leather-appointed seats, dual-zone climate control, and a quieter cabin, and you have a pickup that feels more like a premium SUV. Under the hood, the 2025 D-Max is powered by a 3.0-liter turbo-diesel engine, delivering 190 horsepower and 450 Nm of torque. Whether you're towing heavy loads or navigating challenging terrains, this truck's got you covered. It also boasts improved fuel efficiency and enhanced off-road capabilities, thanks to its upgraded suspension and intelligent 4WD system. Safety is another highlight. The D-Max is equipped with advanced features like a 360-degree camera, adaptive cruise control, lane keeping assist, and autonomous emergency braking. It's designed to keep you safe, no matter where the road takes you. And now, the big question. How much does it cost? The 2025 Isuzu D-Max starts at an attractive $43,000, offering exceptional value for its features, performance, and reliability. So, what do you think about the new D-Max? Let us know in the comments below. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell icon for more exciting reviews. Thanks for watching Auto Garage. See you in the next one.